Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're receiving this error, we couldn't find any drivers to get storage driver, load driver. To fix it, you can go to the system manufacturer website. So for Dell computer, you can go to dell.com/support. Once you go to Dell website, you can select your computer. Make sure that you select your computer. This is just an example. So whichever brand you have, you select your computer and your series. And once you select it, now you can go to drivers and download page. And then select your operating system. Make sure that you select the right operating system, and then you can click on select your driver over here. Now you have to select Intel. Scroll down here, you can see Intel Rapid Storage Technology. If you find this driver, you can select this driver and then you can click on download. You can simply click on download, or you can select this and download. So download it. Once the download is complete, you can file, make a double click, run the file, run that exe file, and then you have to select the option which says extract files to this PC to install later. Do not install, select the option extract over here. Now once you select extract, you have to connect the USB flash drive, the bootable flash drive which has the Windows. So I will just connect the flash drive right now to my computer. So this is my bootable USB flash drive. You can connect to the computer. Connect this to another computer which has the internet access. Now click on continue over here, and you can over here select your flash drive. So this is my flash drive over here. You can select the flash drive and then click on OK and let the extraction complete. Here you can see the update package extracted successfully. Now you can close this and then you can eject the USB flash drive. Now unplug the USB flash drive and then connect to the you have to connect to the USB port of the computer on which you want to install the Windows. Now start the install process and then hit install now over here. Accept the terms and then next. Now you can select custom, whichever option you want to select. I will select custom. Now in your case there will be no drive over here, so you have to click on load driver. Click on load driver and then click on browse over here. Hit browse. Now over here select your USB flash drive. In my case this is the USB flash drive. Now you expand drivers. Now you can again expand this drivers under drivers, and then you can select all the entry one by one. So in my case it's HSA component. Click on OK. If nothing comes up still, the second one you can try browse, expand again your USB flash drive, drivers, again drivers, select this HSA extension. So you have to select it one by one, and here you can see Intel Optane memory and storage management extension. Now again click on browse, again USB flash drive, drivers, and this time it's VMD. OK, and now you can see the drivers over here. Once you are able to see the drivers, now at the bottom right hit next over here and let the installation complete. Now once done, you should be able to see all your drives, and you can do whatever you want over here. In my case I will just select, because I want to go for clean install. Now before you delete any partition over here, let me inform you that you will lose all the data and application on your computer if you delete the partition. So I will select all the partition which I can delete. So this is your choice. In my case I am deleting. Once you delete it, all the data on your computer will be lost. You will lose everything, data, application, everything on your computer, on your hard drive. So I am able to delete whichever partition you are able to delete, you can delete it. And in my case this is unallocated, which you cannot delete, it will be grayed out. So this is the hard drive. Now you can click on next, and then you can continue with the installation. So this is how you can fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.